Hey friend! So I am actually driving and videoing at the same time, which is probably a dangerous activity, but I am on my way to get my hair trimmed. I have been waiting for this. It's been about, I want to say 3 months since I've gotten my hair cut. So I am definitely ready for a haircut. My hair has gotten quite long and I'm excited to see what Kurt does today. So let's head over and see what Kurt does to my hair today. Okay, I've got my mask on and I'm about to go in the salon. Hey, so I just got out of the salon. Oh my goodness, this is too cute. He did a lot of like height on the top. He also did a scissors cut, which I really like. And what he told me was the scissors cut this time was to get more of the length off, since the razor cut was more about thinning the hair out. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I got a wonderful cut. I got to see Kurt. He did an amazing job. Thank you so much, Kurt, for all of your efforts and your expertise. It is so much appreciated, and thank you for sharing with the world. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you. And I will see you next time. Bye. Have a wonderful day.